It starts with your CEO, and they have a problem. So this quote could be, they've just gotten back from an earnings call, and investors pushed them on profitability. In this case, it's we need to increase our new platform sales fast. It's way off plan. Whatever the driver force is, there's always a driver force. Now, of course, the CEO or business unit leader doesn't really do anything. Things cascade down, and there's always something else. You know what? On top of that, while we're at it, we also need to lower our cost of sales because we're in a COVID world, and because the revenues aren't happening, we have to do these new things, but also we have to balance our costs as well. And then that creates more people. The human resources team says, you know what, I'll get my team on helping with that. So they're going to either do one or two of those things, where the sales organization is going to say, I'm going to get my team on that. And if you can see, the jars are starting to accumulate. What kinds of initiatives are being launched as we speak right now, happening while we're on this call? Boom, new jars are being demanded. The marketing team, the portfolio team, all of these different groups with their jars. And each one of those VPs are going to delegate, and they're going to ask individual people, the people who report to them. So the salesperson might ask the sales enablement people to say, well, we need to build a better playbook. Or the corporate marketing might say, well, we need more incentives, customer incentives to do this. We need a call to action or a benefit. Account engineers working on the product side might say we need to have a better process of how we do demos. The learning and development group might advocate, well, we need better coaching. That's what needs to happen. So each one of these things are going to be launched in some way, shape, or form. A jar is born, if you will. And then those things get delegated down to other people. The directors also can delegate tasks to other manager people, and they come up with their own individual checklists and their own activities, like I need to improve our ROI calculator, or we need better personas. I need you to do that, Tim, or Steve, or Sally. We do account-based marketing, so we can do account-based plans that somebody learned about somewhere else. And then those get cascaded down to other people, and so on, and so on, and so on. What happens then is you get all of these jars, and the jars just keep piling up.